I may have to transform into Gangbard. um, I I open my mind like an Oxford book to find the less meaningful words to print on the glossary pages of life's book. I expunge my age way of thinking and gave existence to novel intellect. Now my provocative dialects are being well read. Like to a contract, my idioms provoke the reader's thoughts whenever their eyes make contact with prose that are inconsistently consistent as if it's an error. But it's no golf. It encircles their minds round and round like the hands of time in a ring, taking them outside of the box that they are boxed in as the pendulum swings. They will understand for a moment my fast-paced thoughts that keep me ahead of time. For a jiffy, they will identify with what's existing outside of the subset of the universal set. Even though my thoughts are unstructured, it's because of a certain structure of thoughts one is able to anonymously give to the anonymous this composition. Poetry Bloc. You could follow us on Facebook, Poetry Bloc. You could like our page. You could follow me on Twitter, Don Etheral. Hashtag Don Etheral. Yeah, man.